Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beeman Toyota, downtown Nashville. Answering a couple questions here that I've had from people. So I am sitting in a limited rav4. This is a 2020 model, but this will be the same on your 2021s, 2019s. It'll be the same. So what I'm going to show you here is I'm going to show you the dash. All right. If you look at the dash, you're going to see that you have your analogs over here to the left. You've got for your tachometer, then you've got your temperature gauge down over here, and then you got your fuel gauge there. In the very center here, looks like a normal speedometer. Now that is a screen. It's actually a 7-inch screen. So that speedometer is actually digital. So one of the reasons I want to show you this is that I've had people say, well, I want it to say the miles per hour. I don't want to look at a dial. There's actually a way to change that. So this is on your XSE and your Limited when it comes to your rav4. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to kind of back off here. You'll see your center screen. And hopefully I can I'm going to lower this steering wheel some to kind of give you a little bit better of a view, hopefully. So this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to go ahead and get closer because I think it's not going to focus right. So, but I'm going to use here, and I'm going to go down and over, so you'll see. So if I hit down button, you're going to see this is the normal screen that you're probably going to start with. You'll see this screen right here. All right. So then what you'll do is you'll go over, and as you're going to the right, which is what I'm doing here, you'll see a couple other things. So in order to get to where you can change it, you're going to go over to this screen, which is your settings screen. All right. Just start scrolling down on here, and you're going to get to where it says settings, and it shows the picture of your instrument cluster. All right. You're going to go to this OK button here and press and hold the OK button. And then you're going to see that you can change language. You can change units. So if you wanted to go to kilometers, you can go to kilometers, and you see how that just changed to kilometers on the center screen. So it's really cool how you can change that. Right? So you can go to kilometers, go back to miles, and now it just changed it to miles per hour. So that's how you change it from kilometers to miles per hour. Now, if you go to meter type, you can change it from analog to digital. And now you've just changed it to your digital speedometer, and you've done away with your analog. You could still use that same way to go to kilometers. Now you're at kilometers per hour, which will really, make your friends envious of you if you're going, 160 kilometers per hour. They'll think you're going miles per hour. I always have fun with some of that. But I'll switch it back to miles so I don't, totally freak out the next customer that drives this car. But once again, meter type, you can go to your analog or you can go to your digital. It's that easy. So I'll go through it real quick one more time. I'll kind of back off to kind of give you how it looks. So let's say that we're at our first screen here, or any of them. You can go left or right, whichever way you want to go, left or right, until you get to your settings. Then you scroll down once you get to your settings, and you go to the settings and hold. Then you go to your meter type, digital, and you have your digital turned on. All right. And then if you wanted to switch it from digital again, you can switch it back that way. Meter type, analog, and there you go. So you can have all of that switched. You can also change different displays, things like that. Multi-informational display that just shut off that center. So you can turn that back on. Or you can go back to default settings, right? So you can do whatever you want to do with that. It's pretty easy. Meter type, and flip back over to analog. Flip back over to digital. You can see everything. It's just really, really easy to use. So I'm just kind of scrolling through. I know I wasn't talking there, but I was just kind of scrolling through. Rear cross traffic alert, your parking sensors, everything's in here. Your Limited's going to have most things that you want. So I'm going to switch this one back over to and you press and hold, by the way, like I said. When I'm going to press that, I'm going to go that back over to the analog setting, and that's just that easy. So not too difficult to change those settings in this system, but it gives you a lot of leeway with what you want to do with the center. If you go to Canada, something like that, and you want to change that to your kilometers, or vice versa. If you're in Canada, you come to the US, you need to change it to miles per hour. Definitely, it's very easy to do that. You're not trying to read those little numbers that are underneath there, but it's definitely a very, very cool thing that this new rav4 can do. But it is, like I said, only in your limited and in your XSE trim levels that you'll have that. So once again, Steve Walsh, Beaman Toyota. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know if I can help you with anything else, and I am more than happy to do it. You can always email me. My direct email for my my YouTube channel is buyatoyotanashville@yahoo.com. buyatoyotanashville@yahoo.com. Send me an email if you got a question. Definitely put a comment down there. I respond to all the comments as well. As long as you're asking a question, of course, or if you're making a comment, a lot of times I'll try to respond to it. Appreciate all you guys that comment on every video, like every video. I know who you are, and I always watch those. You guys know who you are as well. So definitely appreciate every one of you. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos and for knowing more about your Toyotas, your Toyota RAV4s, and also for correcting me whenever I'm wrong on something, which is very, very rare. And you guys know that. Don't argue with me. But it's very rare that I'm wrong or I leave something out. But if I do, definitely help to correct me there in the comments. So Steve Walsh, Beaman Toyota. Hope you guys have a great day. We are in summer now. Definitely, hopefully COVID's behind us, everything like that. Things are getting back to normal. So I am definitely excited about it. I hope you guys are too. Steve Walsh, Beaman Toyota. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.